The Eight Sha, also known as the Eight Malevolent Forces, represent directional conflicts or energies that disrupt harmony and well-being in your space. In astrology, they are linked to the Eighth Palace, often called the Palace of Illness or the Killing Palace, symbolizing unfavorable influences. In Feng Shui, the Eight Sha correspond to the 8 trigrams tied to the 5 elements: metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. When yin counters yin or yang counters yang, these forces become particularly disruptive. Step 1. Outdoor analysis. Stand outdoors at the center of your main entrance and use a compass to measure the degree. Enter the degree into the My House coding program to check it against your property type. For outdoor analysis, stay at the main entrance and observe objects or features within the measured degree range. Step 2. Indoor analysis. Move to the Taiji point, the center of your home, for indoor analysis. Use the compass to observe and analyze interior features within the measured range. Understanding these principles helps balance energy flow, mitigate disruptions, and avoid spatial pitfalls. Discover a harmonious living space with our program today.